Hi there. Let's have fun with coolers and colors today. These colorful lassis are very refreshing. There's no sugar in them and the colors are organic too. I'm sure you will enjoy them as much as I do. Did you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates? The first one, we are going to use kheera, cucumber, one large lemon, a small green chili and a bit of coriander leaves. Deseed and finely chop the green chili. So this would be about a large pinch of green chili. Make a paste of the dhania or coriander leaves. Use a microplane or a sharp knife to get the lemon zest. As for the cucumber, I'll peel it, remove the seeds, and grate it. I'm using the food mixer to make the coolers, and I've added in 1/3 cup of dahi or yogurt. You could use full fat or low fat yogurt or curd, anything that you like or have. To this I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of grated cucumber and a pinch of green chilies that I had chopped and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest. Squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice and I'm adding in black salt according to your taste. Add in a cup of chilled water. Finally, the coriander leaf paste and then just run the mixie. That looks quite thin to me, so I'll add in a bit more of the yogurt or dahi and some black salt and also a bit of the lemon juice. Needs that zing. A bit more of the coriander leaf paste and something that I had missed out, roasted jeera powder, bhuna jeera. I like to taste the lassi and then adjust ingredients to my taste. Now that is perfect. For the next one, we are going to use a tempering with oil, for which I am going to use some curry leaves, mustard seeds and urad dal or split black lentil. This is beetroot. I want the color, so I just steamed it and then grated it. I have some very hot oil here. I'll temper it with the mustard seed and the urad dal. Add in the curry leaves. And then just leave it aside and let it cool down completely. Dahi or yogurt. This is about 1/2 cup. You could add more or less. I'll add in some of the tadka or tempering. A few of the curry leaves. About 1.5 teaspoons of the beetroot. 1/2 teaspoon of chaat masala powder, tiny bit of black salt, we can always taste and adjust later, and about a cup of water to start with. That's a pretty color. Adjust the seasoning and the spice according to your taste. For the last one, I'm going to use soaked saffron. This is soaking in hot water, some gulab jal, rose water and a bit of honey as sweetener. This is about 1/2 cup of dahi, yogurt, To this I am going to add in some chilled milk, about a cup, the soaked saffron. I have reserved a few strands for garnish, and a few drops of rose water. This is optional. I'll also add in honey as sweetener. This is about a tablespoon and a half. That's done. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. Serve the coolers with as much ice as you want. For the garnish, some saffron strands for the saffron cooler, bit of the tempering and the curry leaves. For the beetroot cooler, for the cucumber cooler, lemon wedge and a coriander leaf. Serve them chilled or with lots of ice and enjoy!